We were on a bike just because I wanted it to look like
So around here at Born Free Show in Southern California, and it is a festival of everything that's good about Southern California. There's thousands of awesome bikes here, and I'm super excited to be coming here as an invited builder to have my bike center stage up there. I have not stopped talking about it all weekend, and it's been so good to bring something different and to bring a bike from Australia with a German motor and a whole bunch of Australian engineering to this stage. So we'll see how the awards go this afternoon, but it's been an incredible experience so far. I've lost my voice from talking to everybody, but it's been a hell of a time.
Born Free! Fuck yeah! She sits in the top of the greenest tree. She says, I love. It drips on down with a mist from above. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. You hear her calling everywhere you turn. You know you're headed for the pleasure burn. But the words get stuck on the tip of your tongue. She's a real thing, but you knew it all along. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. Look at you with your mind wandering. Look at you with your mind spinning. Why don't we just admit it's all over? That's the girl you want. She's just a girl, the girl you want. She's just a girl, she's just a girl, the girl you want. She sings a song where you can't see. She sits in the top of the greenest tree. She says, I never run to find love. It drips on down with a mist from above. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. Look at you with your mind wandering. Look at you with your mind spinning. Why don't we just admit it's all over? Just a girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. The girl you want. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. Thank you guys.
All right, as these boys break down, we're gonna reset the stage so that we can get on with our awards. We know it's hot out. We hope everybody's had a great time. And thank God everybody survived the end of the world, and we're here to enjoy motorcycles yet again. Nigel was a builder last year. He's in Australia and couldn't make any finish it. It's the insane BMW over here in the invited builder area, and because of the end of the world, couldn't get over here, couldn't get the bike over here, and consequently, he is also getting Best Modern for his BMW build. So Award of Excellent and Best Modern here, Mr. Nigel, engineered to slide. This guy is an MFer in a drift car, and do you want to say anything?
I really want to thank, sorry I've lost my voice, but I want to thank Mike and Grant for putting on this show. I want to thank everybody for coming out here. I've met so many great people, and it's amazing to have this as a place for us to show what we're capable of.
And I was here in 2014, and it really put me on the track to wanting to be here and to be over there and to be amongst all of these amazing builders and to meet all you guys. It's been 3 years in the making and a long trip to get here, but it's been really, really worth it, and just want to thank everybody involved.
Thank you, Nigel. Thank you.
So we just finished up the awards ceremony and standing here with Best Modern and Award of Excellence. It's been such a whirlwind of a weekend, and so happy to be here amongst all of these builders and to walk home with these awards. It just makes all of that work over the last 3 years worth it, and I want to thank Mike and Grant and everybody here at Born Free, all of the amazing people that I spoke to all weekend. It's killer, and I just can't believe that we're walking away with not only these prizes but this whole experience. I want to thank BMW, and I want to thank everybody for coming out here this weekend and supporting me.